So if we talk about designing for safe execution, so the idea is that the execution of the tool has to be safe, because the tool execution, if we talk about, it can carry risk. Tool execution can carry risk. For example, if the tool execution involves sending money, deleting records, updating billing info, sending mass emails. If the tool execution involves sending money, deleting records, updating billing info, sending mass emails, these operations carry risk. So tool execution can carry risk. So we have to consider design safety. So design for safety can be incorporated by considering or by including confirmation steps. Like whenever any critical action needs to be performed, confirmation from the user should be taken. So confirmation steps should be included. Human in the loop approval, logging and audit trials. Like whatever the tools, the actions it is performing, we should log it and we should audit the logs. So logging and audit trials. Reversible actions, very important. So reversible actions are the actions which can be undone. So for reversible actions, we can ease the restrictions because actions can be undone. Permission gating. So now it's very clear that for safe execution, some very important design principles we should keep in mind. So whenever you are designing the tools, you should design for safety by including confirmation steps, human in the loop approval, logging and audit trials, reversible actions, and permission gating. Safety principle, if we talk about, automate reversible actions first. So as a safety principle, say reversible actions are less critical because they can be undone. They can be reversed back to its previous state. So first we should automate the reversible actions. Then we should consider high risk execution. So automate reversible actions first and never allow high risk execution without safeguards. Never allow high risk execution without safeguards. So whenever we are talking about high risk execution, we should consider safeguards. Never allow high risk execution without safeguards.